Welcome to my new craft room. It's not really new, but it's looking pretty good. You want to see? Alright, let's start with the obvious part. I was sitting here when I just did that little intro. This is a shelf that I had up on the other side. If you saw what this looked like before in January from the organization playlist that Teresa B. DIY put together, this was somewhere else. But now it is a bench because Mama needs a rest sometimes. So I turned it into a bench, and there's my new Monstera plant. Yeah. All of my inspiration comes from right there. The home edit. Those ladies have inspired me to get my butt in gear. That's what I've got there. So let's pan around. No, YouTube did not send me that. I made it myself. It's made out of clay because I wanted validation. So here is my office, I guess, shelf. Notebooks, note papers. Like I said, still a mess, still a work in progress. My briefcase. There's envelopes and stuff in there. My laminator. Down here is my tool shelf. This is all like tools and hardware. These are Dollar Tree containers. These are massive. So there's, I can't even tell you how many of these. And then I will show you the other size in a minute. And these are the Dollar Tree toolboxes. Dollar Tree toolboxes. Okay. These little bins came from Amazon a while ago. Down here I've got like fabrics. So there's my cord and yarn, ribbon, more yarn. There's sewing stuff over there. That is a sewing machine, and there's just other junk down there. Up here, this is still a mess, but better than the last time. I've got fabric bins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, these fabric bins have wood items. That has vinyl in it, actually. That's the stuff from Simplicity. It's just sitting up there for now. I wasn't quite done. I was trying to hurry. Glass. This has my Starbucks cups to, do things too. I painted this. This is going to be a future video. This is actually painted with chalk paint and iron-on, heat transfer vinyl for the labeling. There's my desk. It's kind of a mess. My cutesy little water fountain. I need that water sound, and then my lava lamp. Alright. And I've got this is for scrapbooking stuff, but it's got it's still got scrapbooking stuff, but it's also got vinyl. I've got scraps, HTV, regular adhesive, bunch more notebooks down there. Notebook, bullet journal, and then another little dresser thing full of office supplies. This is my favorite side. Got all my florals. I made my rainbow jars, and there's storage back there. So my resin stuff is all back there. And this one, there's my Cricut, and my hiding back there in the corner is my heat press, pegboard stuff, extras. Down here is all my art supplies and paints. stains. These are another size of these, which you saw in my haul last month. I think I talked about these Dollar Tree bins, and then these are I think these were two for $1.25. Perfect for my crayons and markers. And here's more stuff in this. There's wood pieces there, fabrics, gnome stuff, basically. There's all my stamps. What is that? Cricut, some extra stuff, and then there's my small paints and extra bits up there. This video is part of my Funtime Friday playlist. This is the challenge that is not a challenge. It's meant to be a place for you to post your videos that might not otherwise have a home on your channel. Every month I host this playlist. It goes up on the first Friday of the month at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And yeah, it's just a lot of fun. Sometimes there are DIYs, sometimes there's hauls. You just never know what you're going to find on this playlist, that's what makes it awesome. And if you want to participate in it at any other time, make sure to get a hold of me over on Instagram. I can add you to the group chat there. And that link is in my the link for the playlist is in my description box. So make sure you go check that out. Spread the YouTube goodness. Like, comment, and subscribe on everybody's channels. And while you're at it, would you go ahead and subscribe to mine as well? I'm trying to help grow my channel, and I really want to hit 5,000 at the end of the year. Alright, let's finish the rest of the tour. And last but not least is my custom-made pegboard room divider. Obviously, it's a little different than the last time I showed it. I needed to make it where it could fold up better, so I have like the flatter items over there. I haven't filled these back up yet. I sorted everything, so I'm not gonna haven't put it all back yet. If you haven't seen that video, check that out. I'll make sure to link that. Where I made this pegboard, I hand drilled all those holes. There's thousands of them. The other side was like the back part, and I have like my Cricut mats. I've got cardboard pieces, other flat things hanging there. So that's what I have there. Oh, and I forgot down here in the bottom there's scrapbook things. Those are projects to do, so like from the next couple of months worth of content is in that little box over there, hiding under the blanket. There's more notebooks, scrapbook paper, and overflow of more supplies of other crafts and stuff. Down there is like electronics. I'm not real sure what I put in that. Actually, I don't remember. That's just like scarves and other pieces of fabric and stuff. Spare things, extra stuff that I needed to keep, but didn't really have anywhere else to put, so I just hid it back there where it's behind all that. So yeah, there's my craft room tour. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you like the best. I can tell you that all told, okay, all these cabinets were thrifted. These came from Family Dollar, I think. That, and these two came from a thrift store, along with 4 or 5 others. So there's like a whole office worth of these cabinets for $30 that we found last year. So the bins that I just bought, the square bins, the toolboxes, these magazine bins, those are all that stuff's from Dollar Tree. The locker boxes, those are Dollar Tree. The smaller ones, those are Dollar Tree. Oh, right, my other part. Yeah, this cabinet which used to house our DVDs and VHS tapes, is my crafting console as well. So I've got more stuff in there. These teal bins came from Family Dollar, I think. Locker bins from Dollar Tree, and those small little green food storage dishes also from Dollar Tree. So this is again some overflow, like the florals, that's small stuff. I got floral foam. That's all my tapes and glues. There's air dry clay, regular clay, camera equipment. That's just like glass bottles and stuff that I'm going to do something with, hopefully. So that's what I've got going on there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the rest of the Funtime Friday playlist. That link and yeah, that link, because I don't have a it's been a long month. Yes, and it's the 3rd. So the link to the Funtime Friday playlist is in my description box below. You can also find in the cards up there in the upper right hand corner other videos referenced here today. Yes, because we're watching a lava lamp, because why not? Maybe I should just film this for like 10 hours and put it up here with some music, right? So anyway, so that's that. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, y'all. Bye.